Good morning vlog. I am on my way to pick up my sister because today's the day. We go to Pictured Rocks. I'm so excited. We check into our cabin today and it's about a 7-hour drive to get to where we're going. So it's about 7:30 right now and I am making my way to go get my sister and I am so excited. Well, I guess I'll catch him with you then.
I just can't wait to be on the road again.
I'm so excited.
Going places that I've never been.
Come on, baby, let's go. We finally made it.
Wow.
Got to our cabin. I'm not really sure what Monica got us into. She has to call from a phone that's outside of the cabin. Call and let them know that we're here. So here's to this. Letting Monica be the decider of this whole trip. So we shall see. Here's our cabin. Here's my bed. My stuff.
Oh my god.
Huh.
I only got sun on the side.
There's a lot of sun too.
Yeah. I have like a ring of just red.
So pretty. So worth the drive. Oh my god, so.
Come out there.
We got to our cabin about 20 minutes ago and got all settled in and everything like that, and now we are currently gonna get ready and then go to this place called Foggy's Steakhouse that we both never been to and I'm super excited. It's in a place called Christmas, Michigan. A friend of ours actually referred us to it, so we'll see if it's good or not. Alright, see you soon. Yeah, be careful. These, Look! Oh, look! They're so cute. They're so small. Oh! Oh, that's a cricket or a grasshopper.
go on a walk. Even though I kind of want to be out there, but yeah,
I'm already out of breath. There's so many bugs in my face and my grill. Bear, dude. It's not a bear.
dude, it's looking at us.
It's like an ostrich.
It does kind of like a gorilla.
Doesn't it?
What if it just started running at us? That'd be the funniest shit.
Good morning, vlog. Today we go on a pictured rock cruises at 11, and we're just sitting here getting around until then. I had some orange juice, you know, getting ready and making our beds. And at 11 we go on our pictured rock cruises. I'm super excited for that. You'll be getting a lot of clips before and after the cruise, and yeah, stay tuned. Well, we might be totally late to our cruise because we left late and we're stuck in construction traffic. It says we're supposed to get there at 10:47 right now, and
They're gonna leave
our
us.
thing is at 11. So
They're gonna leave us.
I guess we'll see if we either end up on a cruise or if we don't.
Kind of why we drove here, but it's cool.
All right, we're going back.
Are you guys here for the 11?
Yes.
Alright. I'll scan your tickets real quick. Alright, just two?
Yep.
Alright, enjoy your tour.
Thank you. Want to go up top? I think so. Yes, we do. We can go upstairs, right? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Oh, look at it in there. There's no one in there.
I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super blue. Baby, I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super blue.
Well, we made it with like literally 2 minutes to spare. Like, I don't even know how. We were probably one of the last people on the boat. We got a really bad seat at first because we were one of the last people on, and then people started moving around, so thankfully we ended up getting a better seat. So we'll see the clips of that. And then, yeah, wearing a mask the whole time, unfortunately, was what was required. It's definitely a weird time in life right now, but I'm just really excited that we still got to go and we still got to experience it. I'm waiting on Monica currently right now because she forgot a fishing pole, and we have a little spot out back that we can go fishing in. So we're at the hardware right now. We're gonna go get some shaved ice from this really cute place. We just went and got tacos from a taco stand, this little cute shop. It was super cute. I should have brought my GoPro to get some clips in there, but yeah, we got some tacos. We're at a hardware store and we're about to go get some Waterfalls later. So catch you then. I think you're supposed to walk that way. Woo! Where they are.
I would go barefoot.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
Muddy.
Lord.
I don't know
just a
how you
heads
feel
up.
about mud in your
I'm
toes.
gonna attempt it, but we'll see. I made it! Yeah, it is.
Has something in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Ew.
But
Bug on me.
yeah, I could literally swim in this.
I would jump in right now.
Yeah, we could. Alright. That waterfall up there felt so good. Monica, why do you even ask questions? You just go for it. You don't ask.
There's fucking flip-flops.
You're fine.
Take it out so bad.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, they're down there. Are you doing it? I'm doing it.
You have to jump over here.
I'm just gonna crawl under it. Huh? I think I'm gonna go barefoot. I'm probably going to too. Careful, dude. some of the rocks down there. All right. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Very good. I don't know. It's really slippery right here. I feel so alive! This is nuts! Good morning, vlog. Today's the day that we check out, unfortunately. We are getting ready, packing our things. Monica's gonna hop in the shower. And then we're gonna go hit one more really cool spot that I'm super excited about. We passed by yesterday, but we didn't really have the time to stop and, you know, like actually experience it. So we're gonna go back today real quick before we leave. I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna freaking leave. I'm so sad, I don't wanna leave. I don't want to leave. God dang it, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave either.
I'm so upset. So I guess I'll see you at our next location.
Back on the bridge.
You're going back that way?
Right.